In terms of employees' responsibilities for health and safety, what they need to do is take a reasonable amount of care over their own health and safety and that of others who could be affected by the work that they're doing. They need to comply with their employer over matters relating to health and safety, and this would include using any equipment in accordance with the training that they've been provided with. They also need to report to their employer or a supervisor or a union rep any concerns that they have in relation to health and safety. In terms of an employer's responsibilities in relation to health and safety, they need to decide what in the workplace could cause harm to people and figure out what precautions need to be put in place to manage that risk, i.e. a risk assessment. What they also need to do is to bring the findings of that risk assessment to the attention of the workforce in a way that they can understand. So they need to explain how the risks are going to be controlled and who's going to be responsible for making that happen. They need to consult with the workforce over matters relating to health and safety. They need to provide free of charge any equipment that's needed in order for people to carry out their work safely. And they also need to provide, again free of charge, any training that's required in order for people to be able to carry out their work safely. They need to provide things like an adequate number of toilets, adequate washing facilities, and things like an adequate degree of first aid provision. They need to report certain injuries, diseases and dangerous occurrences under a piece of legislation known as RIDDOR, which is the Reporting of Injuries, Diseases and Dangerous Occurrence Regulations. They need to have insurance in place, usually referred to as employer's liability insurance, that covers people in the event of any injury or illness that they suffer as a result of their work. Employers need to cooperate and coordinate in order to ensure health and safety. The people that they need to cooperate and coordinate with could be, for example, other employers or contractors.